Are you the kind of person that you think that something's going to take so long and then it always takes much longer than you anticipate? Is that you? Because that's me. That's totally me. Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and I am sorry that I'm running late on this. Today we get to announce the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I'm almost to 200 now. So my next milestone giveaway is going to be at 500 subscribers, but that doesn't mean that I won't have more giveaways to come in between now and then. In fact, I know of 2, and 1 I'm going to announce next. So keep on watching. After I announce this next giveaway, I'm going to announce the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway. But right now, let's go ahead and talk about what is next in my giveaways. If you watch any other yarn tubers, as we like to call ourselves, or crochet tubers, whatever you want to call us, that's fine. Anyway, if you watch us, then you know that a few of us are doing something for National Crochet Day, which is August 11th. So what I'm thinking, and I'm not the only one who's thinking this, because somebody's giving a very similar giveaway, which I will link that down below. But what I'd like to do is promote crochet to people who are interested in learning the art, but just really haven't jumped yet. And so what I am wanting to do for my giveaway is to give away like a little beginner's kit. And I'm going to show you some of what I have here to give you and what's going to be included. First of all, you're going to get, it's very girly. So if you happen to win and you don't like girly stuff, I do have some other options. I just I picked out the girly stuff, so I'll show you like the second option on at least on the bag that I have. So there's this little bag here. So this is going to be included. This is like your bag to hold all of your accoutrements that you need for crocheting. And I don't know if you can see that. It says, I am a mermaid, unicorn, fairy, princess. Isn't every girl? Anyway. So what I'm including inside this, because you know, I want to make sure that when you get this package, or whomever, you can, and also here's a secret, you can have me send it to somebody else that's interested, or you can gift it to them. So I really want to give this to the beginner crocheter and get them interested in the art. Anyway, what else is included in this is I'm going to include some of these. They're little note cards, you know, kind of like what people, index cards, that's what they're called, index cards. What I use these for is I have my big project bags, which are like this. So this is my big project bags, and by the way, this yarn is included, and I'm going to add 1 white skein to this too. So you're gonna get 3 skeins of yarn. This is your basic, very basic. This is like Walmart's version of Red Heart Super Saver, and I actually even feel like the Walmart's version is softer, which is why I'm including it. But I'm gonna have a white, this gray, and this purple. So purple's my favorite color. White and gray you can make anything from and make somebody happy or yourself happy, whatever. But this is your basic worsted weight yarn, and you're gonna get 3 skeins of those. So anyway, back to this. This is a project bag, usually. And then what I use these index cards for is I write on them my hook size, my pattern, like all the pertinent information that I need to know, so that if I put this away for a little while, I can pick it up and then know, okay, I need this hook size, this is the yarn that I'm using, and this is the pattern that I'm using, if I don't have the pattern stuffed in there anyway, like I printed it out and stuffed it in there. If you got the pattern from like a book or something, you would put the page and the name of the book and the page number that the pattern is on. So that is what I use these for. I get these from the Dollar Tree, and I use them. So it isn't something that I wouldn't use. This is something that I love. I use it. It may get a little bend up, but it won't get totally torn up because it is cardstock. So that's what I use those for, and I'm going to include that with the package. I do have a second choice if you don't like the super girly stuff. I mean, I love it. Isn't that cute? Girly. Love it. Anyway, I do have this you can pick this as your bag if you prefer. So just let me know if you're a winner or whomever you choose to win. It's still a little pink, but it's not as girly as the other one. So if you need me to go non-girly, let me know. But this is included. And then I also have a pair of scissors to go with it, and a pen, because you always need your pen to write some notes, and a pencil. And I'm also going to include a little notebook. Probably I'm going to try and look for something about this size. This is mine. I just didn't pick it up, but about this size, so that you can easily throw it in a purse, or you know, in this little bag or some other bag like that, or your project bag. But about this size for taking notes. And then also, and I don't have them here, but you're also going to get some stitch markers. Now you can always use bobby pins or safety pins for stitch markers. Either one of those work, but I'm going to add some colorful stitch markers in with this beginner's kit as well. And of course you get the yarn. And the only other thing that's not showing here is I'm also going to include a measuring tape. I just haven't decided whether or not it's going to be one of the retractable ones or something like this. This one's mine. If I may include a retractable one. Not sure yet. So, but that will be included. You guys, I didn't even realize this while I was making the video until I was editing it, but I did not even mention that included in the prize pack are these 3 hooks. Now, these hooks are, I'm gifting between 5mm and 6mm. So depending on the tension of the person that is learning, either one of these will work with the worsted weight and for the projects that they want to do. So I figured the 5 to the 6 will be best for the worsted weight. So this will be included in the prize as well. Silly me for not mentioning that, and I repeated like a zillion other things a zillion times, and I didn't even mention the hooks, the most important part of this gift besides the yarn. Anyway, that's also included in the gift. You're going to get 3 skeins of yarn. You're going to get everything that you need to get started on a project. The only thing that you're not going to have is a project. So that I'm going to let you pick for yourself. Or whomever you choose to give this to as a beginner, they're going to be able to pick for themselves. But that is what I want to do. I'm going to have everything together. I'm going to announce the winner for that. That on August 11th, which is National Crochet Day. So I want to promote people who are interested in the hobby. So I'm looking to have people enter, and all they need to do is they need to comment down below and let me know, hey, I'm a beginner. I'm looking to get this for myself. I'm looking to get it for my mom. I'm looking to get it for my sister, my best friend, my coworker, whoever you're thinking of. Whenever you enter this contest, just comment down below, and I would love to hear that. I want to really just support people who are interested in getting into the art of crochet and joining the rest of us. You know? And you know what? I'm even going to show you there. I've already made a beginner's kit. I got one. I gave one to my sister-in-law who was interested in the art of crochet, and I'm going to put it in right there into the video when I edit. You're going to see a little picture of it. And you know what? That bag that I made in that picture was a creation of Jada and Stitches. So I will link the video tutorial for that down below because it's pretty awesome and she loved it. So maybe perhaps that's something you can contribute to if you're looking to get this for a friend, or maybe that can be your first project. I might go with a washcloth for the first project, or something, a square of some sort, or a granny square. But you know what? I say I would do that, but in reality, my personal very first project was an Afghan, and I did it with homespun yarn. All the things that people say, don't do that as your first project. I did it, and I have succeeded with it, so I loved it. I fell in love, and doesn't mean I succeeded with every pattern since. I sure as heck did not, but I did succeed with that first one, and I got hooked right after that. Comment down below, tell me who you're thinking of getting this winner's kit for, and then that's it. you don't have to be subscribed to me to enter this. So if you know of somebody who's interested, has an account on YouTube, have them comment down below. Say, hey, give it to me. And I will be happy to do that. So whatever you want to do, just have them comment down below, or you can comment down below if you want to gift it to somebody who's learning how to crochet. But that's my goal, is to gift this packet to somebody who wants to learn to crochet. Okay, I think I've repeated myself enough, right? Yeah, so what you really want to know, I know you do, what you really want to know is who won my 100 subscriber giveaway, right? So let's go ahead and bring up my phone, which I had to plug in because it was dying. See, today I had to run some errands, and they took much longer than I anticipated. And unfortunately, when I was coming back home, there was a major accident in front of us. I, pray for the people that were in the accident. I hope nobody was injured. I don't know, but it did involve several cars. So, that's unfortunate. I never like to see that. But that did eat away at my day, of course. Okay, I'm getting. Showing you how to do something. Ooh, that's me. Yummy. Okay, I am getting the link to my. I'm getting old, so excuse me. I can't look at this. All right, I'm getting the link and copying that, and I'm gonna bring it because I like to pick the winner. Oh, this is the first time I've done this, but my goal is to pick. I like to pick the winner when you're watching. While you're watching, I want you to see the winner being chosen. Now, I do need to verify, because in the 100 subscriber giveaway, you did have to be subscribed to win, verifiably subscribed. So I am gonna verify the winner. All right, so there's the comment picker. I'm gonna go ahead and paste in my link to my YouTube, to the to that video, and I'm going to filter out duplicate users. Right, so I've got all of the YouTube comments, and having the few subscribers that I do, which I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because I think the light is really just glaring that out. Anyway, I had 43 comments, which I think unique comments, which I think is flippin' amazing for the number of subscribers that I have. So thank you every one of you for entering. I really appreciate you. Thank you everyone who subscribed to me. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. So thank you so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit start and get a winner. Let's see. Okay, my winner is, I don't know if you'll be able to see if it's showing it, because it's really like, there you go. Can you see it? Winner is Melissa. There you go. Can you see it that way? Winner is Melissa Long, and I am like 90% sure that she is, and it's got to get back into focus, sorry. 90% sure that she is subscribed to me. So, like verifiably subscribed to me. I think she actually was one of my very first subscribers. So if, I'm going to verify that, but, I'm pretty sure that she is. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to verify this, and through editing magic, it's going to be like 1 second for you. So 1 minute. I'm back, and I verified that Melissa is indeed a verifiable member of my channel. So woohoo, way to go. I'm so excited, Melissa. You need to email me at hooktotheleft@gmail. Let me know how to get a package to you. I was planning on sending the package this weekend, but unfortunately my day got away from me. And I will not be able to send it over the weekend, but if I can, if my husband's able to, I'm going to try and get him to send it out during the week. With my job, I don't have time to send it out during the week. So if at the latest, the absolute latest is this will be sent is next Saturday, and I send it out priority mail. So just heads up on that, but I do need to get your address first. Before I can send you anything, I need to have your address. So I'm going to get that. If you could get that to me, then I will get this package out to you. So congratulations, but let's read what you wrote. Let's see. Okay, so Melissa wrote, and give me a moment because I'm old and I got to take these off. Congratulations on the growth of your channel. Thank you. I love soft cotton yarns or bamboo or linen yarns, but I tend to buy acrylics, LOL. I have no allergies and love wools for winter projects. Thank you for your generosity and good luck, everyone. So that's awesome. I will pick out an acrylic for you. I don't really have that much cotton or natural fibers that I haven't already used. If I were to give you cotton or natural fiber, then you end up with like my scraps, and I'm not gonna do that. So you're gonna get 3 skeins of an acrylic yarn, acrylic skein. So I'm gonna surprise you with it. Hopefully you'll love it. But and then of course you'll get everything else that was in it. If you wanna win my National Crochet Day giveaway, then comment down below who you want to gift this beginner's pack to, and congratulations to Melissa Long for winning my 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing, will be amazing, are amazing, everything. So thank you again, and I will talk to you soon and see you soon for another tutorial. Bye bye. Winner of that particular my kitty's all around me, sorry. Totally distracting me. Anyway, my husband made Kelly, and we don't want that. A dead Melanie's not a good Melanie. I don't do many videos when I'm dead, so